So guys, you can see right now we did this. Our macaroni pie here is finished exactly how I like it, golden brown. And I don't like it to be too, let me push this camera good. As I said, not too thick, okay? So our macaroni pie is finished here. Completely finished. So we're gonna let it cool a while, and then we're gonna slice it out. Okay, next. And we're down to the mash. And our stew is doing well over here too. Let's go close and see. Yeah, as you can see. Let me see here. Our stew is doing well. It's a nice, nice color. You know, every Caribbean woman, you know, this is a very important stew for us. If you're from the Caribbean, we like our stew chicken like this. There's many different ways that we do stew chicken, but this is a good way that we love to do it. And we like to put our thyme. I didn't put special thyme in it, you know. But anyway, the seasoning that I marinate the chicken with has thyme, so it's good as well. But it's good when you put some thyme. So now I'm gonna make my potato salad. See, my potatoes and carrots is already cooked. So my tenderness, you cook it to how tender you want it, okay? Everybody cook theirs differently. You don't have to do it exactly. And so now I'm gonna add some onions, sweet peppers. Usually I would put egg, but I run out of egg. So you guys need to send me some gifts, gift me, okay? So I could go buy egg. I need eggs. Mama needs some eggs. So I run out of eggs, so there will not be any boiled egg, not raw egg, okay? I could always add some boiled egg later if I want, okay? But we need our mayo. So I'll put some mayo. And this is a mayo that I use, the olive oil one, because I think it's the best one. You know? As in our head, it's psychologically, we think that olive oil is good, you know, it's the best. So I usually buy the olive oil mayonnaise. And it tastes good anyway. The bowl should be a little bit bigger, but it's okay. So we need our mayonnaise. And our mashed potato is basically ready. Not mashed, sorry, potato salad. I'm sure everyone knows how to make potato salad, but this is how I make it. It's very good. I mean, you should know how to make potato salad, right? Usually I put an egg in it, but I don't have egg. You could put some parsley in it too. It's good. So it's finished there. The stew is finished, potato salad is finished, macaroni pie is finished. Later on, I could cook a little bit of white rice. Let's put this on this side here. It's hot. You have to wait until it cools a little. It's gonna come out a little bit cracked because it would fall apart a little, and it's also because it's thin, because it's hot. You're supposed to wait until it cools. My kids love macaroni pie. I like it. This is exactly how I like it, crunchy. So we're gonna taste. We're not waiting. Mama's hungry. This is us tasting our homes. Woo! Voila! I've taken it up still. Oh, mama. So we're gonna taste. Mama's hungry. So you see, this is how I like my macaroni pie. Not too thick, you know. It's more enjoyable. You have the crush, you know. You see, it's well crusted under. It's not burnt. Perfect crush, and on top as well. And we are going to take a little taste of my homemade cooked food that I just made. We just made, not me. We. Okay. So here we go. And dinner or lunch is served. So as you see, that your girl here just cooked early in the morning. Our stew chicken, baked pie, and mashed potato. Okay, so you guys can try it at home. It's very, very delicious. This is really good. You can add some rice, cook some white rice, you know, and add it to it. This is good. Let me go sit down.